Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to verify identity on Prizepicks. So, if your account doesn't get automatically verified after you go ahead and sign up, they may ask you for a few details, okay, before they can verify identity. For example, they may ask for the last four digits of your social security number, or they might ask you to submit a photo of your ID, okay? They'll basically process that information securely and they'll attempt to verify identity. So this, you can submit this for last digits of your social security number, or a photo of your ID, your government issued ID, and they will go ahead and verify it. You want to make sure that it's not blurry, otherwise it is going to get rejected if you have blurry photo and the lighting is not good, or the if ID is not valid. For example, if the ID is not valid, like if you submit something like a library card, that is not going to help you get approved. Okay, they'll just reject that and you'll have to resubmit your ID. But if you are verified, guys, they will send you a notification that says verification successful, and they'll also send you a link to the deposit page where you can add funds to your account and you can begin playing Prizepicks. And guys, if it is placed on review, okay, your verification, if it is placed on review, then what's going to happen is a verification specialist will actually review your account information further. So it's really that easy and simple, guys. You just want to submit the information and they ask you, and you should get it verified immediately. So I hope this video helps you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.